AmyKilcoyne with Keller Williams, and today I have important information for homeowners that have experienced or experiencing a hardship due to coronavirus. So Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae have just announced that they have hardship programs now in place for homeowners that have been impacted due to corona, either due to lack of income, reduced income, no income, or illness. So here's what you need to know. First, you need to figure out if you have a Fannie Mae or a Freddie Mac loan, which I have links on my blog below this video that will take you to the websites where you can put in your information and find out which loan you have. So if you do have a conventional loan, FHA loan, most likely you will qualify under Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae guidelines, but you want to just check first. So number 2, don't call Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac regarding your payments. You want to call your mortgage provider, the servicer. So whoever you get your monthly bills from, that's the number you want to call. Now, a few things to keep in mind before you call. All those people that usually work at the call centers to get this kind of information out and receive these phone calls, they're probably working from home or not working at all. So you're probably going to need some patience and make sure your cell phone is plugged in and full battery, because you might be on hold for a while. I haven't experienced this myself personally during this situation. However, I have been working in different financial difficulty times in the mortgage and real estate world, and that seems to be the case, and that was before people were on limited work schedules. So something to keep in mind. Another thing, when you call, you probably want to have a monthly budget nearby so you have information about how much you do make, how much you did make, what you still have to pay to kind of keep your household going. They're going to want to know what you can and can't pay. You can't just pick not to pay. They're going to kind of work with you to come up with a plan together. So what does this program include? So it's a forbearance program. That means there will either be a reduction in the payment or a suspended payment up to 12 months. You will not incur any late charges. You will still incur interest. That won't change. And this will not be reported to the credit bureau. So those are great plans in place to really make this a beneficial program. Now, after the 12 months of the forbearance program, if you still need a reduction in the payments, the servicers are supposed to work with you to kind of either slowly increase the payment back to normal or modify your loan. So it's something for the long term. So if you need help, I would certainly suggest making the call now before the first of the month, before mortgage payments are due, and just let them know that it's not coming this month and you need to get into the forbearance program. Don't just think if you don't pay your monthly payment, they're going to just say, oh, they're probably from the coronavirus, and that's okay. We're not going to let them incur any late fees. You really need to call and tell them, this is the situation I'm in, and what are we going to do about it? So they know that they're supposed to work with you. They are going to be expecting these phone calls, and I would just be patient with everyone. Assume that they might have to call you back and let you know what your new payment structure is going to be. It's not a forgiveness program, so if you do have a stopped payments for a year or a drastic reduction in your payment, they are going to add that into the loan, probably just add more payments at the end of the loan. So that's something you just need to know what you're signing up for and just kind of be prepared for that. So I wish everyone the best of luck. Hopefully this is good news, gives you a little bit more of a sigh of relief knowing that the banks are willing to work with you to keep you in your home. This is something that they definitely are being more proactive than they were in the past when it was the mortgage crisis in America. This is beyond our control. People want to work, we just can't. So the banks want to keep people in their homes. They know it's the best for the economy, Americans in general, and it's just the right thing to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share it with someone that may be experiencing a hardship, and hopefully they can get the information and the relief they need. Thanks for watching.